Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to this video for the like to comment share this video because it's amazing. A few days ago, I showed you how to install One UI 2.51 on the Samsung Galaxy S8, S8 Plus, and Note 8, as you can see. Today, I decided to show you how to factory reset this ROM. Okay, how to factory reset this ROM. It's the same thing with the free mobiles, the free devices. Okay, as you can see, this is Samsung Galaxy Note 8 with the beautiful and amazing S Pen. Okay, as you can see, it's nice, it's beautiful, it's working, and this is real. This is One UI 2.5. Okay, look at now. Let's go in settings. You can see a board phone. You can see Note 9. Don't worry, this one is based on Note 9. This is one at this one One UI version 1, but this is One UI 2.5 and Android 10. Okay, now get ready because I want to show you how to reset all of this. Okay, nice. Now go back and what? Go. Okay, close all of this. Now follow me. If you want to reset this one, click on this thing, go on setting and enter reset. Okay, enter reset just like that, and let's search for reset. Wonderful. Now look at on this list. Do you see this? You can see reset. Okay, you have also reset settings, reset all settings to their default, and you can see as also reset to value to default values. Okay, now click on reset. You can see reset under. Now you have your choice. You can see reset settings, reset network settings, reset accessibility settings, and you have reset data. You have factory data reset, factory data reset. Okay, now you can make your choice. If you want to reset your settings, just click here and you will see something like that. You can reset, you will reset security settings, language settings, account, personal data settings for downloaded applications, and this is all. If you are ready, you need just to click on reset settings. After that, you can reboot your phone and enjoy yourself. If you want to reset with network, click on reset network settings. Now you can see this will reset all network settings, including rules for Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth. You can see click on reset if you are ready. Alright, the thing that I like more is here, but let's check on reset accessibility settings. You can see your accessibility settings will be reset to the default settings. As you can see, you can make your choice. Okay, now this is what I like. With this thing, you can do so many things. You can reset your phone, and your phone will become like default. Okay, like you have installed the first of the face ROM for the first time. Do you see this? Okay, as you can see factory data reset, and you can see all data will be erased from what? From your phone, including your Google account, system and application data, settings, downloaded application, and music picture. What can you do? You need just to save your data in other devices like computer. Do you see this? Like computer, save your photo, your data if you want to factory data reset, because the internet storage will be a rise, bro. As you can see, I have 64 gigabyte in the internet storage and 16 gigabyte in my SD card. I can save my data here and do what I want. Okay, now if you are ready, come back and get ready. All of your accounts, your Facebook accounts, and all this will be erased. Even Chrome, Google Chrome, even Opera browser, as you can see here, and Samsung Internet. Now, if you are ready, you need to click on reset, and the process will start. After this, your phone will reboot many times. Okay, just like that, your phone will restart many times. As you can see, this is address home. Okay, and you will see a LED appear here, and now you are ready to access to your phone after reset. This thing can take 5 and 10 minutes. Let's see what I found. I think, do you believe this? Yes. Now, wonderful, welcome back. And you need to configure now your phone, configure your app, your Google account, and what you need. And after this, you need to reinstall your application and enjoy yourself. Then you can do what you want easily, like a baby. This is how to reset this Windows 8 2.51 on Samsung Galaxy S8, S8 Plus, and Note 8, as you can see. Wonderful. Now you know. Thank you for watching. I also want to enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and share. You can also support our channel. My bank detail link in the description. Wow, look at that. Beautiful, wonderful. You have your camera. Amazing camera. As you can see, it's working. Wonderful. And I like it. You have also this for Google Assistant. Okay, Google Assistant is here.
Thanks for chatting.
Thanks for chatting. Okay, thanks for watching. Hello. What? You don't talk? I don't know why. Okay, I will test this after with you. Thanks for watching. I love you all. Subscribe today.